I'm Mark.
And I'm Shirley.
And it is day 40 of our 180-day around the world cruise.
40 days, part 2.
And here we are at Firedoor restaurant, a place that we've been trying to get to for 4 years. Hello, how are you? Doing great. Very happy to be here. Been trying to get in for 4 years. Finally got lucky tonight.
4 years?
Yeah.
That's a record.
4 years.
So as you can see, we have our 5-course and our 6-course today. Super simple. So these are our Sippy Rock oysters. They come from Merimbula, New South Wales, which is down the south coast. We've got as well some desert lime, some tenerife seaweed, with some seaweed oil, and all of it is smoked over juniper. And then dropping here, we've got our dragon fire and also our smoking gun.
A little bit of wild bird kangaroo. The loin has been lightly seared and sliced in a tataki style. In the middle you have some macadamia cream, a little bit of shaved macadamia, blood plum and wasabi.
Thank you. What do you think of that kangaroo, honey?
It's delicate and sweet and earthy. It's so delicious.
I would say it's not been good.
It really is.
Called Philip in Victoria. So they are sitting on a bed of tomato kimchi, been paired with some green mango and charred zucchini, and topped off with a little bit of pangratato and fennel pollen. The butter ourselves. We've also paired it with a little bit of toasted rye grain there. The idea is you want to butter the bread and then sprinkle the rye grain onto the bread. It just adds a nice little bit of extra bit of crunch, a little bit of texture, and adds to the flavour. And here we have Shady's wood fire loaf. So they actually deliver us the dough fresh every morning. We bake it ourselves in the wood furnace over there in the kitchen. And a fun little fact about the sourdough is the starter dough that they used to make it turned 17 years old last week.
Wow. So let me get this right. You make the butter here.
Yes. So we get the cream and we smoke that ourselves, and then we churn the butter ourselves.
Wow.
Jasper's squeezing that plant. Oh my goodness. Look at little Jasper. Oh my goodness, little Jasper.
Beautiful marron, it's endemic to Australia. It comes from WA, from Donnybrook. So basically split down the middle, place on a fire over some old wine barrels, and then this time of year we garnish with some charred corn, a little bit of badavans. We've got to mix with a little bit of spice there, some curry leaf, my God.
Fabulous.
This is like one of the best things I've ever eaten.
And what is it?
Jasper.
No, what is it?
It's marron.
Marron.
Which is a lobster-like creature that is the most delicate, buttery, and then the sauce that they have is cooked in is out of this world.
This is our Bunjara pork coming to us from Barham here in New South Wales, where it is organically raised. It's a black Berkshire breed. We age the meat in-house for 60 days as well, which gives it that bit of crackling. Then on the side we have some baby hackeri turnips, as well as some mutza apples coming from Moonacres Farm, which is in the southern highlands of New South Wales. These ones are just dressed in a bit of fermented mustard.
Hey, Mark, what are you eating?
I am eating some pork that is just filled with lovely porkiness. It's wonderful. So good.
It's more floral.
So, Mr. Wolf,
Yes, dear.
how are you feeling about Firedoor so far?
Definitely in our top 2 or 3 restaurants in the world. We've had 2 hours of culinary bliss so far, and there's 2 more courses to go.
have the Kwame Wagyu, them done cut. This one have marble score 9+. Served with hen of the wood mushrooms and mushroom blends at the top.
This Wagyu beef with the hen of the woods mushrooms, which I've never had in my life, but they are so amazing. I never knew that you could have a mushroom that was so good.
For dessert this evening, we have a little medley of figs. So we have our caramelized figs from the Hawkesbury region, sitting on a bed of fig granita, been paired with a fig leaf ice cream that we make in-house, and topped with fig oil and a burnt schmutz wheel.
So it's all about figs.
It's all about figs. Hey, go figure.
Go figure. That's great.
I love it.
Love it.
Enjoy it.
Thank you.
So the meal is over, Shirley. What are your thoughts?
My thoughts are, if my stomach were much bigger, I would sit here for days. It was amazing. One of the best culinary experiences ever.